today I'm reviewing the Make Prem Comfort Me Panthenol Moisture Essence. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsor ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobilisbeauty.com, join Patreon community, or click on the links below. Okay. So Make Prem, for me, has been kind of a hit or miss brand. Some really great products, some kind of average, some have a lot of fragrance in them. I was a little nervous about this one, but decided to pick it up and give it a try, and I'm glad I did. Okay, so they say hypoallergenic and mild essence with a low pH of 5.5, contains niazole panthenol to enhance skin's absorption power and moisture and strengthen the skin barrier for a smooth finish. It also contains Madecassoside and Ceramide for skin soothing effects and long-lasting moisture. Okay, my first criteria is packaging. Really like the packaging of this one. It is so travel friendly, and it's just easy to use. And you can leave it on your countertop because it's a nice opaque packaging. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It also has no fragrance and no real scent, which is wonderful because if you're looking for something that's a comforting, hydrating essence, generally fragrance-free is going to be the way to go, especially if your skin is irritated, dry, flaky, things like that. So wonderful. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. So ease of use, so after cleansing and using a toner, apply a moderate on face and dab it for better absorption. There we go. So it's got just a wonderful lotion texture, which just smooths over skin super easily. There we go. And it absorbs pretty nicely. And then if you use any serums, you can use those after this. You can apply it immediately just to keep the hydration going. But it smooths over skin really easily. If you use it while your skin is still damp from a toner, a little bit of this will go a very long way. You know, I really like to use this in my evening routine before, like I use my Altrino retinoid product, because this kind of buffers the skin a little bit, protecting it and allows it to penetrate into your skin without it getting too dry or having the flakiness that retinoids tend to have. So I really like using it for that. Okay, in terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients, so we've got sorbitol, a humectant made from sugar. We've got panthenol, obviously, which is a good skin soothing ingredient, hydrating, wound healing, and skin protecting. We've got ceramide NP, a skin identical ingredient. We've got madecassoside, which is an antioxidant soothing ingredient, wound healing product. We've got Roman chamomile, which is an antioxidant soothing, calming, and hydrating ingredient. And then finally, we've got hydrogenated lecithin, which is a hydrating ingredient. So a nice short list. Everything has a purpose in it, which is great. And a lot of good protecting ingredients, soothing ingredients, calming ingredients. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this brand is cruelty-free, so no issues with that. Performance. So this one's really nice. It really is wonderful. It soaks in. It doesn't leave skin feeling greasy at all. It sets to kind of a natural finish. Adds some extra hydration to skin. It feels light enough that you can use it in your morning routine. And I really like, now that it's wintertime, I can add this into my routine without changing anything else. Just add it in and give my skin some extra moisture and calming and some soothing benefits. In terms of acne-agenic ingredients, there's only 2 of note, Ethylhexyl, Palmitate, and Carbomer. So not huge issue, and both those are towards the end of the ingredient list. In terms of the price, so this is a full size, which is a large bottle. It's 2.7 ounces. It's 80 milliliters. So it's a lot. And if you use it on damp skin, a little bit goes a long way. And it retails for about $20, which makes it pretty darn affordable. So nice, affordable product. And in terms of the it factor, really nice essence. Love it. Doesn't feel heavy. Friendly for most skin types, including sensitive skin, dry skin, maybe even oily skin. And it's going to work well for even most acne-prone skin types. No fragrance. Fits in easily into any routine. It's affordable, generous sized bottle. Lot to like for this one. Actually, to be honest, couldn't think of anything I didn't like about it. It's just a really good product, and I was very excited they came up with this, especially since some of the Make Prem products haven't been my favorite, but generally they tend to make great products. So this one I knew I had to try. Glad I did. Great product all around. With a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 10. It's well worth a try, especially if you suffer from irritated skin, dry skin, even just wintertime dry skin. It's well worth being able to add in your routine without changing anything else around. So Anyway, those are my thoughts on this one. Interest hearing from you guys if you had a chance to check it out yet, and if you have what your thoughts are, so leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.